Host upgrade. Upgrade package includes host upgrade software, DMS client and DMS serve software. Copy the upgrade package to the root directory. Of USB flash drive. Connect the USB flash drive. Login service account. Click menu icon. Click Settings, and then click Advanced Toolbox. Go to Upgrade Interface. Click Upgrade. Upgrade package will be showing there. If not, click Load Upgrade Package button. Click Upgrade. You could click Upgrade Single Board to upgrade any board you want. Or click Upgrade All to do a comprehensive upgrade. Waiting for operation, and please do not power off the device. Success is indicated at the bottom of the interface. Please turn off the machine and wait for a few seconds to restart it. Click menu icon. Click status and then click version info. Check whether the version of each board is consistent with the corresponding version. Remove the USB flash drive. DMS upgrade. Double-click DMS client software installation package. Select the same path as the original one. DMS client software upgrade is finished. Double-click DMS server software installation package. Select the same path as the original one. DMS server software upgrade is finished. Open the DMS software. Check the version of the current DMS.